Welcome back to Ngana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Titsezo Media. Episode 24. There is nothing that he would not do for his children, but there are some lines that even he would not cross. He was once as fiery as his little Chiera, questioning customs until he learned that even the wind can punish. Naka had been married before, a fact only his parents, siblings, and current wife knew. He had been young, dumb, and in love when he fell in love with Sarudzai. Sarudzai was from the wrong side of the tracks and made him do things. She made him steal and work just to make her happy, and yet in hindsight, she never was. Her family was religious, and so was his, except his family respected the ancestors and our customs. Being with Saru made him embarrassed of this fact, embarrassed of himself, something she would always pick and laugh at. Nakatula took it all in his stride until the day she dropped a bombshell. "I'm pregnant. I have not had my periods and I think we should get married as soon as possible." "Are you sure?" I had asked. "Yes, let's get married this week." "But it's November. No one gets married in November." "Oh, you believe that silly superstition?" If you loved me like you say you do, you'll marry me this week. If you don't, I will know." Confused and a bit scared, Naka had gone home and explained the situation to his parents, both who vehemently rejected the idea before he was even done talking. Tune in tomorrow for more Ngana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Titsezo Media.